All right, guys, welcome back to our Texas Homestead. Today, we're going to make you a simple cream cheese ball. Okay? I'm going to bring you in, I'm going to show you everything we need. Some of the things that I grew up with this, so this is like a staple in my family and everything we had to have, you know, for snacks, especially like Super Bowl, this, that, and the other. So, we want to start out with 2 packs of the budding ham. That's what we use. We get the Black Forest. You can use any ham. We just have always used this, and it's kind of what we do. So everybody, if you got your own special Boar's Head, Black Forest ham you want to use, feel free. I think the sodium content in this actually helps the taste and goes over well. So you need 2 packs of that, and you need 2 packs of cream cheese. That if somebody could give me instructions in the comments on how to open these correctly, that would be freaking awesome. Okay? My dogs are deciding that it's playtime and they want to play together. Okay, so 2 things of cream cheese. Take one of your hams, mix it in. Then you want to take some green onions or chives or whatever you want to call them. Shallots, not shallots, they're not shallots, they're chives. What are they called? Trying to think. There's another word for these, and I can't think of it. I'm sure you have already beat me to the answer 300 times. But when you're put on the spot, you know how hard it is to answer sometimes. Scallions. There you go. Thanks for the cameraman today. If you like cream cheese, you're probably going to like this. All right. 2 tablespoons of Lee and Perron's Worcestershire sauce, or however you want to say it. It's the Worcestershire. Everybody's got their own way, but it's Worcestershire. Okay. And one thing I add that my family didn't is cayenne pepper. I like a little spice. Don't take a lot. Okay. Before you get too dirty, because you're going to get dirty making this, go ahead and cut up your second ham. Same way you did the first one. Yes, I know. I should practice my knife skills. I do not have chef knife skills. Okay? And with the second one, just kind of roll it out. If you've got green onions or chives or scallions or whatever they are on the table, that's fine. So now you want to come in and mix this up by hand. So you get all the juice from the Worcestershire sauce. And you want to mix it to where you're not seeing just white. Because you know with the cream cheese, it's pretty thick. You're going to have to mix it around and get it all mixed together. Okay? Now, yes, it doesn't look great. But what you're going to do now is take it, roll it in your ham. And your green onions, if you got some left. then go wash your hands. All right, now, all you want to do, get some kind of Tupperware bowl, something that you can store it in the refrigerator. It's good if you store it for 30 minutes before you really start eating it. But, you know, it's already here. I already have a chip. You can use chips. You can use crackers, whatever you want. Okay, simple, great little cream cheese ball, and it's fabulous. For all you cream cheese lovers out there, you're really gonna like it. Guaranteed. Guys, be sure you like, subscribe, share, send it to your friends and family. Make it for Super Bowl. Make it for whenever. Anytime you have a party, some friends over. Try it out. It's not gonna hurt to try it. A couple things cream cheese. So we'll see you next time on Our Texas Homestead.